Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and welcome to my bathroom. I'm not in my sewing room right now. I want to show you this really pretty decorative towel that I've made. This is a super simple project. Will only take you about 10 minutes to make. So let's get started. The towel and the lace trim were purchased from Walmart. The towel is 28 inches by 50 inches long. The trim is by Simplicity and the lace is 2 inches wide, and on the roll you get 3 yards. There is enough lace trim on one roll to embellish 2 towels this particular size. The drapery ties I purchased from Joann Fabrics and Crafts. I'm sure you can buy these ties at stores that sell draperies, and you can get them on Amazon.com. To cut your lace, measure the length of the towel from top to bottom and add an additional 8 inches and cut your trim that size. If your lace trim is starting to unravel, just do a straight line of stitching across there. Then fold the ends over, maybe a ½ inch, and then stitch across it. First step is to find the center of your towel. Fold the towel in half and place a pin marking the center. Then go to the opposite end of the towel and do the same thing. Place the trim down the center of your towel. On the back side, overlap it by about 4 inches. Place pins along the lace all the way down. Now, depending on the lace that you choose, try to find an area in the lace that has a lot of thread in there that it's weaved with, because you don't want your stitches to be really obvious. So I'm going to stitch on each side of this center band that's here, and make sure you use matching thread. I would also lengthen your stitch because you don't want this so tight that it begins to pucker your fabrics. Have the back side of your towel facing up and fold the towel in thirds. After folding the towel in thirds, take the towel that you're going to store on the inside and fold it in thirds also. Make sure that they're about the same width. You don't want this towel wider than this towel. So if it is, just pull this out a little bit so it's not exactly in thirds. To hang it, I suggest you either use a rubber band. This is a hair tie. I have lots of these around. Or take a narrow piece of elastic to hang it with. Take one end of the towel and bring it up over the back of your towel bar, and bring the other two together. Bunch up the towel and bring your hairband up and around. And then fluff out the towel and arrange the top of it so that it's pleasing to you. Bring the drapery ties around your rubber band or hair tie, whichever you're using. You can either tie it in a bow, depending how long your drapery ties are. I'm just tying it like that, and then let them hang. Then roll up your guest towels and insert them inside. Now, my blue towel that's hanging here is not a very large towel, but you can see that the towels I've put inside, I was able to get 2 in there. For more decorative towel ideas and other bathroom accessories, such as this toilet paper holder basket, or you can put hand towels in it, or this really easy to make tissue box holder. Then play this video until a green screen appears and then click on the links. I hope you liked this video. If you did, would you please click on thumbs up, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner. Don't forget to click on that little bell and enter your email address so you can receive email notifications about my latest video. If you haven't received notifications, then go to your cell phone, click on settings, and turn notifications in the on position. I'm Cheryl, this is Steve, this is Sue, and this is Manny. So glad you came to my sewing room. See you next time, and happy sewing!